Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix low quality video reels on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, go to the Instagram app on your phone, then tap the profile icon from here, the bottom right, then tap the three-line menu option at the top right corner, then scroll down and find the media quality option. From here, you can find the media quality option. Yes, tap it. Then turn tool on the second option and make sure these two options, the first one and the last one, is always turned off. Okay, that's why you can get the better quality video reels on Instagram. Or if you don't also see the uh, problem here, you can simply turn on the airplane mode on and off for a few seconds. It will refreshes your network and your video quality will improve. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.